Alright, just a quick DraftPhysics.com interlude with the YouTube audience, the mob. Uh, anyway, where you have to go to say you are somebody, the public square as it is, formed, a place where people will go. So they won't go down, all the other roads that are possible because it's too much trouble and blah blah blah. So you have to be on this stupid platform owned by this evil corporation, blah 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 blah, and all kinds of rules that they don't apply consistently, and they're just bigoted morons who are control freaking all over the internet, and it's really sucks. Anyway, so I did on the free space of the general internet, which really isn't free space because Google also controls what you can access on the regular internet, which is really disgusting. Really is just such a failed civilization we exist in. Anyway, alright, so let's just assume this was where we left off. I don't know, but so I did a video, Draft Physics versus a Fair Opportunity to Convince. So it was just a email I had sent to a physicist. I've sent out a couple more, to more famous characters. I did increase how much money I was offering them because of their fame and such, but we'll see if that has any influence. It's just so depressing. Anyway, what I did find, okay, so I did another one, this Arvin Ash guy, and I posted a comment, and I actually uploaded a video on YouTube, the video as a response video, and it got 2 views. So there's not much point, and comment sections are kind of irrelevant, and it's obviously doesn't generate much of an interest by anyone that matters, or anyone who could possibly matter. So, it's a little disappointing that it works that poorly, but that was it, 2 views. So, that's disappointing likewise. So then that was on the subject of the 2-slit thing mostly, again, using that as an excuse for a bunch of quantum crap. The pattern wave particle duality is wrong. Pattern guy, what the hell was that about? Some channel called The Pattern. I don't know what that is. It's just called Pattern. Pattern's a good word, but it doesn't use it the same way, obviously. And it really didn't explain anything about how wave particle duality is wrong. So mistitled. And today's video was against PBS, but and magnetic monopoles, which is an interesting subject. So I only got through half the video, and maybe I'll do more on that subject in the future, watching the rest of it. But I'm sure it's just convoluted abstract math bullshit that has something to do with finding monopoles, because they really don't deal with an actual theory that actually makes sense, and so there's lots of obvious flaws in how they understand the universe. I've pointed out with magnetism the key flaw is in not understanding the difference between field lines and lines of force. The lines of force that Maxwell drew in his charge diagrams, they're the real lines in the universe. Field lines are just an abstraction. Anyway, they really don't have anything. They're an emergent thing. They are a consequence of what the lines of force are doing. The lines of force create the places where the proton and the electron are having an equal influence on something and keeping it neutral. The lines of force are doing that, not the field lines. The field lines are just where the stuff lines up, where there's an equidistance between 2 objects. So if we have 400 moons orbiting Earth, you could understand that there could be a place for each one of those moons that would be equidistant, in terms of the force, the gravity. And that there would be a line you could draw that would say where there's an equal amount of gravity, or no gravity, essentially, where the 2 forces balance. And so it's just defining a balance line. Anyway, the other part of that was that I did get a comment on the other version of the website. And see, I gotta think which one is the safe one to hit here. I don't remember, so I'll pause. Alright, found the safe one. Anyway, so I did get a comment to respond to that, and I saw that's also in the video. So the beginning of the video, this one hasn't been updated, so I had to update it. And there would be the video, PBS video. The beginning of that is me dealing with the crap in the comments, which is just somebody linking to another dissident with another theory, blah, 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 blah. So anyway, I think that's all we need. So yes, links in the comment section to the videos I've made off YouTube. And it's the way things will be until there's some other way. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, enough of a video. Enough time spent on the evil YouTube. So till the next time and such. Hit the button, Gary. This has been a DraftPhysics.com video presentation. Google is evil, and you should have known better. We as a civilization should have listened to me and paid some attention to the fact that putting our welfare in the hands of the biggest marketing company in the world would be really dumb. Anyway, till the next time.